In the last video, we saw how we can read an image and write an image. So now I'm going to show you how you can make it more customized, wherein you can change the wait key options, wherein if you enter escape button on your keyboard, the, the image will vanish, or if you just press key S on the keyboard, it's going to save the image. Or if you press any other button, it will say unknown key command. So this is what the topic of this video is. So we are going to customize the wait key. At this point in time, if you remember from the last video, the wait key would wait indefinitely for any key to be pressed, and then once you press that button or any key, the image will be destroyed. So let me just show you what we did in the last video. So you had this image, and any key on the keyboard, it's going to destroy all windows. So let's do the wait key customization. So I'll remove this piece. So at this point in time, the image will show there is no wait key, and let me write a piece of code here. So I'm going to write a variable wk with cv2.waitkey. Now I'm going to write a condition if wait key equals 27. The 27 means equivalent of escape. So the escape key on your keyboard is 27. So if the wait key is 27, then print quit without saving. That means do not save the image, just quit. And then destroy all windows, obviously. Now if the key is ORD is equivalent of S. So ORD of S means if the wait key you have pressed is S on the keyboard, if you pressed S, then write the image, that means save the image as mypythonsave.png, and then print a message saying that image saved to disk. Now if it's not an escape or not an S key, then, which is else, print unknown key command and then exit. So it says that if 27, that means escape key, quit without saving the image, S is save the image, while if there is any other key, you say unknown key command. Now let's run this application. So on the keyboard, I'm hitting escape. You see quit without saving. Run again. On the keyboard, I'm saying S. It says image saved to disk. And if I just run this with any unknown command, it says unknown key command. So this is one of the methods of writing conditional statements based on the keyboard input. Now, one more thing before we exit is we will use matplotlib to show the image. So cv2.imshow shows the image, but I'm going to use matplotlib. So in order to do that, I'll say from matplotlib import pyplot as py or plt. So this means that from the library matplotlib, if you do not have a matplotlib library, install it, import pyplot as pyplt. Now instead of cv2imshow, I'm going to write pyplt.imshow. So matplotlib provides you a library to show the images, and we're going to use matplotlib in the videos to come, and that's why I'm introducing matplotlib today. So pyplt.imshow image cmap, which is color map gray. So I'm going to show it in a gray image. Interpolation bicubic. Just read it on the internet what does interpolation means. And I'm going to write pyplot.show. So this is going to show. And the good thing about matplotlib is you can have subplots inside one image or one plot. So that is why I'm introducing matplotlib. So I am show and then pyplot show. I just say run, and you would see that it gives you multiple options: back to previous view, next view. Of course it's not going to work right now, there is no previous next. Pan axis, you can zoom in, configure subplots, a slider. I mean, there are a lot of things you can do with matplotlib show, and that is why I'm just using matplotlib. So the code is available on a Google Drive link. The link is given in the video's description section of the video below. Please feel free to download and practice. Thank you for watching.